Hello to all the girls and boys, moms and dads, and other wonderful grown-ups. This is Miss Valerie from the Clearwater Public Library Youth Department here to present you a bedtime story. Each week on the Clearwater Public Library YouTube channel, we will share a bedtime story with you and your little ones. Then you can continue this story tradition at home the rest of the week. This is Beep Beep Go to Sleep, and it's written by Todd Tarpley. We'd like to thank Little Brown Books for Young Readers for permission to read this story to you. Beep, beep, go to sleep. 3 little robots, time for bed, time to dim your infrared. Brush your rotors round and round, clean your shields, and power down. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are beep, beep. Is something wrong? I need my coil. My sensor aches. I want more oil. Better now? Then rest your head. 3 little robots back to bed. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are beep, beep. What is it now? I need a light. My fan belt's loose. My bolt's too tight. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are beep, beep. Robots, are you still awake? Engines off, for goodness sake. No more beeping, no more talking, no more squeaking, no more squawking, no more blipping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, squinking, oinking. Oinking! Go to sleep! Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are beep, beep. What now? You need what? Oh, a bedtime story. Somewhere there are robots beeping, buzzing, bouncing, squawking, squeaking, blipping, bopping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, even oinking. But not these robots snuggled deep. They finally put their boy to sleep. The end. The man in the moon looked out of the moon, and said, "It's time for all the children of Earth to think about getting to bed. Good night, sweet